Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Security Policy Prevents installation error. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app, scroll down to Security and Privacy, and tap on it. Scroll down again and tap More Security Settings. Then, scroll down further and select Device Admin Apps. If you find any app with administrator access enabled, turn the toggle off. After that, restart your Samsung phone. If the error still appears, go back to Settings, tap the search icon, and search for Knox Config. If your phone is managed by a company or organization, open Knox Config and tap Apply Latest Profile. This will update the device policy and may resolve the installation issue. If neither method works, open General Management, tap Reset, and then select Factory Data Reset. Be sure to back up your important files before resetting your device. That's it for this video. Thanks!